Hello traders, welcome to MJ Crypto. In this video, I'm going to be reviewing TRADEWILL Broker, an amazing platform, guys, where you can trade your forex, metals, crypto indices, stocks at the very low risks involved. All right, now, so over time, I've been into research to find out brokers with efficient withdrawals, fast payout, fast deposits, best customer support and commission. We also look into spreads as well because most brokers manipulate their spreads a lot. But I have good news for you. TRADEWILL is here to stay, is here to serve you. So this gives us rise into the main subject matter of the day, which is TRADEWILL. Now, the first thing you want to do is register an account. When you register an account, all you have to do is just come here, click on register, fill in your email, all right? Use my link. My link is going to be in the description of this video. When you use my link, automatically you have access to my trading signals on gold, silver, all the metals, all the major pairs, forex major pairs, minor pairs, including crypto, most especially BTC. All right, so when you use my link, you get access to that. The link is going to be in the description of this video. Use it, sign up, and then just click on register. I'm already a user here, so I'm just going to log in and show you how this platform works from within, right? So I'm just going to log in right now. Let's put my password. All right, so yep, I'm logged in already. I'm logged in. I haven't funded yet though, but still logged in actually. So what we need to do now is observe this platform. We'll click on trading. You're going to see all the pairs here. All right, you're going to see web trader, forex, CFD. So now let's just go through this. Let's go through it one by one. Now, when you register, you can start by trading live or free demo. Right? You can start by trading live or free demo. Now, when you trade free demo, you actually have access to $10,000 of demo. So now let's see how live trading looks like. We're going to be giving options MT4, MT5. You see, trade of your account. You are going to be giving same account to app and web trader. You see, safe and stable. You can deposit as low as $10. Just click on deposit. You can use Palm Pay. You can use bank transfer. You can use TRC20. You can use basically any of these options, right? You can use basically any of them. Okay, you can use basically any of them, guys. So that is it for this to deposit. And how to withdraw is actually very simple as well. So now let's see stock CFG. Let's see try demo now. Let's see how it looks like. You see, you have all your pairs here. You have ETC, USDT, right? Look at them. You have all of them. You can trade your crypto. You can trade basically everything here, guys. You can trade basically everything. This is crypto. This is BNB. This is BNB. You Can trade all of these things, guys. Now, one of the key advantages, or some of the key advantages, right? Some of the key advantages using this platform is that you get minimum deposit of just $3 to start your trading globally. You have fast market entry with a smooth and user-friendly platform. It works seamlessly on both mobile and desktop. Are you with me? It works seamlessly on both mobile and desktop. Quick and hassle-free withdrawals with funds available anytime. Anytime. All right. So basically, yeah. So now let's go to the trading tools. Let's go to the trading tools. You can see economic calendar. You can see economic calendar. So if you want to trade news, you want to have an insight as to what's going on, you can just come here and do your thing. You can see your profit calculator. You want to calculate your pips, your margin. Just come here, do your stuff, and everything is absolutely done for you already. Now, one other beautiful access is that it has a partnership program. So you can also earn by referring other people. Right? You can earn by referring other people. Just register, share your link, and then you begin to earn. All right? You begin to earn, guys. It's as simple as that, honestly. It's as simple as that. As simple as that. So this is for this. Go to your assets. You can see we have standard account, we have pro account. Standard account can let you have a minimum of 10 USDT and so on and so forth. If you go to the internal transfer, you can see where you can now transfer your funds from one place to another. Go to your assets. Basically, that is just the way it is, guys. Amazing, amazing, amazing platform. Let's check the overview. And if you want to make a withdrawal, just come here, click on withdraw. You can withdraw directly into what? Naira. Okay, all you have to do is just put in all your KYC documents and everything you need to do. And you are good to go. Now for verification, just complete your questionnaire. All right, complete the questionnaire and your identity verification. Complete it. It's very seamless, very easy to do. After verification, you can open an empty file. You put your address proof. All right, all these are very, very easy to operate. Don't forget, use the link in the description to sign up. I'm going to be giving you massive, 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 massive signals to trade on crypto pairs, on forex pairs. You don't get this anywhere. One love. Peace out to you guys. Trade with TRADEWILL.